There we go. Hello, Budge. Good night. Good night. You were talking. Yeah, there we go. Good night. Yeah. Gonna have to do this single-handedly. Yeah, look at Thena. There we go. Put that on there. Back that up against the door a little bit because the magnets on top keep coming loose. Hey, yeah. And Sonic gets, yeah, good night. Gets a second blanket because it's freaking cold even with the heater. The heater is bird safe, by the way. Polonus, I can't remember which one it is. They either use the safe nonstick or they don't use nonstick and it's just ceramic. Hi, yeah. You gonna go tonight? You got fresh water? You got fresh papers? You gonna go tonight? Yeah. There you go. How much is that birdie in the window? The one with the scraggly tail. How much is that birdie in the window? Yeah, you too, cat. I do hope that birdie's for sale. Good night, babies. Good night. See you tomorrow.